Dear students, our next chapter number 2 is more on Windows 7. Okay, so this chapter is related with the Windows accessories. Accessories means some supporting tools for the Windows that helps us to do lots of small tasks like calculator, notepad, word media player, sound recorder, and system tools. These all are different types of small softwares which helps us to do the small task. Okay, so first of all, let's see. The first is Windows Media Player. Okay, so this is a software which helps us to play any video or any audio. Okay, any type of digital video or audio. This software helps us to copy any song inside the computer or any song from computer to CD. Okay, so there are two tasks, dear students. One is from computer to CD and another is CD to computer. So these two tasks are known separately. So first of all, this is RIP. Okay, RIP means, as written here, copy any song or any movie or any type of media from CD to your computer. Means here you are copying anything from CD to computer. Okay, CD to computer. When we save any type of media file from CD to computer, that is known as RIP. So for that, first of all, the steps are given here. We have to insert that particular media CD in the CD drive, and after that the options are will show here, and according to the requirement all steps will ask there, and like that we can copy any file, media file from CD to computer. And just opposite the thing which is burning. Burning means when we copy any data from computer to CD. Computer to CD is known as burning. Okay, CD to computer is RIP and computer to CD is burning. So same, we have to insert any blank CD or DVD inside the CD driver, and then the steps will ask, and according to the asking formalities we have to fulfill, and like this any media file we can copy into the CD. Okay, after that one feature is given here, displaying two windows at the same time. This is when sometimes we require the two softwares to do work at the same time. Suppose that we want to copy some thing from PowerPoint to MS Word or MS Word to PowerPoint. In that case, Windows is unable to open the any two software at the same time on the screen. So in that case we need to minimize the file in the taskbar, then we can open the another software. But here is an option given, show the windows side by side. This option helps us to open the two software windows at the same time on the screen to do work on the same time. Okay, so this is an facility of Windows 7, the windows side by side. And after that, the next is exploring picture. Exploring picture, Here we will see how to open the picture library and how many types of views are there in the picture library. Okay, so there are different types of views are available in the picture library. So that are according to the our need: large, small, detail, list, different types of pictures viewing are available on the picture gallery. Okay, so this is our Windows picture gallery, where this icon is used for different types of views. Okay, and this is the picture library where all inserted picture will be saved, right? After that, disk cleanup. Dear student, disk cleanup is a small software which helps us to remove the unnecessary files from the hard disk to make the disk space free. Okay, so this is a small software. Disk cleanup helps to remove the unwanted, unused files which are kept along but unused. Okay, so after that, there are different more type of features are available in the Windows 7. So let's see first the Windows taskbar. Okay, so dear student, this is the Windows taskbar. Taskbar means whatever work we are doing at the moment, that will be show on the taskbar. Okay, like if you are opening the window and the PowerPoint at the same time, these two softwares icon will show here at the taskbar. This is the time and date which is showing here, and this is our antivirus icon. So this portion of the taskbar is known as tray. Okay, this is the tray. For the system tray, we can say this is the system tray. Okay, and jump list. Jump list is a feature of Windows, new feature of Windows 7. Okay, jump list is a new feature. So what is this helps us to do, which take us right to the document, pictures, song or website that are used frequently. Suppose that on taskbar this icon we will get, and if we will click on that, the recently and frequently uses things we will get directly from the jump list. Okay, and the Windows Media Center, this is also a type of media player which helps us to convert our window as a TV screen. Okay, so these are small features are available in the Windows 7 that helps us to do some small task. Thank you.